How to do a hollow hold exercise. The hollow hold is a core stability exercise where your body forms a slight curve, like a banana shape. It's used in gymnastics and functional training to develop deep core strength and body control. Steps to perform hollow hold. 1. Start position. Lie on your back on a mat. Extend your arms straight overhead, biceps close to ears. Extend your legs fully and keep them together to engage core. Press your lower back firmly into the floor. Engage your core. Think of pulling your belly button toward your spine. 3. Lift off. Raise your arms, shoulders, head, and legs off the ground. Keep arms extended in line with your ears. Keep legs straight and hover them 4 to 6 inches above the ground. Hold the position. Keep your body in a smooth curve, hips and lower back in contact with the floor. Breathe steadily and maintain tension. Hold for 20-60 seconds, depending on your strength level. Muscles worked. During hollow hold, especially hands overhead. When hands are extended overhead, you engage more of your upper body and shoulder stabilizers, in addition to your core. Primary muscles, core stability. Rectus abdominis, front abs. Transverse abdominis, deep core stabilizer. Obliques, sides of your abs. Secondary muscles. Hip flexors, iliopsoas, rectus femoris. Quadriceps, front thighs. Erector spinae to resist back arching. Muscles engaged in arms overhead position. Deltoids, anterior front, keeping arms lifted. Serratus anterior, stabilizing scapula. Latissimus dorsi, engaging to hold overhead arm position. Triceps, maintaining extended elbows. Forearm muscles, if arms are tensed. Tips: if you're a beginner, keep arms by your sides or lift just legs or shoulders at first. Avoid letting your lower back arch or lift off the ground. To scale up, add light weights in hands or move into hollow rocks. Please check my next video